we are going to Cotopaxi Volcano. We hopped in the back of a Jeep and then made a quick stop to try out and pick up some mountain bikes.
See you on the top.
Then it was back in the Jeep for the ride all the way up the side of Cotopaxi Volcano. There's our bikes going all the way down this road, all the way down there, down through the valley. Hopefully these bikes will get us there safely. Of course you got the yellow helmet. Are you ready? We made it! This part was quite fun actually. Well done. Did it.